Islam elucidates that differences of races, tribes, colors and places are of no value in the Islam. These differences only for sake of the identification.
ये मरकजुल मारिफिल मुफन की वो किताब है कि जिसमें अहदिनों के हर सवाल का जवाब है। ये मरकजुल मारिफिल मुफन की वो किताब है कि जिसमें अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह नहमदुहु व नस्तईनुहु व नस्तगफिरुहु व नु'मिनु बिही व नतवक्कलु अलैहि व नअूज़ु बिल्लाहि मिन शुरूरि अनफुसिना व मिन सय्यिआति अअमालिना मन यहदिहिल्लाहु फला मुज़िल्ल लहु व मन युज़लिल्हु फला हादिय लहु। क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फ़िल क़ुरआनिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद या अय्युहन्नासु इन्ना खलक़नाकुम मिन ज़करिन व उन्सा वजअलनाकुम शुऊबन व क़बाइल लितआरफ़ू इन्ना अक्रमकुम इंदल्लाहि अत्क़ाकुम इन्नल्लाहा अलीमुन ख़बीर। I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to speak some humble word about equality and justice. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, and upon his family and all his companions. Dear audience, in this meeting and program I have been asked to speak some word about the equality and justice in Islam. Dear audience, first and foremost, the teaching of Islam is that about the equality and justice, all human beings are commands from the one father and mother. Thus they are equal on the basis of humanity. As the Quran says, Ya ayyuhan nasu inna khalaqnakum min zakarin wa unsa waja'alnakum shu'uban wa qabaila lita'arafu inna akramakum indallahi atqakum innallaha alimun khabir. O mankind, we have created you from a male and female and made you into tribes and races so that you may identify one another. Surely the noblest of you in Allah's sight is the one who is the most pious of you. Dear audience, Islam elucidates that differences of races, tribes, colors and places are of no value in the Islam. These differences only for sake of the identification. No one can be considered the higher and superior on the ground of places, colors and places and nationality. By this, the Quran aimed at leveling differences and discrimination of the races and tribes and nationalities, no value in the Islam. Dear audience, the second rule which declared the Quran verses is that nobility in the Islam only piety. Thus Islam uprooted types of equine and also so-called ego higher classes. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Ala ya ayyuhan nas inna rabbakum wahid wa inna abakum wahid ala la fazla li arabiyyin ala ajami wala li ajamiyyin ala arabi wala li aswad ala ahmar wala li ahmar ala aswad illa bit taqwa. O mankind, behold, your Lord is one, your Father is one. There is no superiority for an Arab over a non-Arab, nor for a non-Arab over an Arab.
nor for a raid on a black, nor for a black on a raid, but on the basis of piety and righteousness. Dear audience, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was delivering khutbah in the masjid of Kufa. Suddenly Kharji's people came and entered the masjid and he started shouting with this slogan, Inil hukmu illa lillah, Inil hukmu illa lillah, Inil hukmu illa lillah. People stood and said to Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, we should answer them. But Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said to them, I will not answer them, I will not answer them. But Kharji's people did not stop this slogan, Inil hukmu illa lillah, Inil hukmu illa lillah. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu stopped his khutbah. After that said, I will not fight you if you do not fight with us. I will not abuse you if you do not abuse us. It is teaching of Islam. It is the equality. It is the equality of Islam. Dear audience, Ade Qurayshi people came and said, Hazrat Usama bin Zayd radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, please ask Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam about a woman who has stolen. But Hazrat Usama bin Zayd radiyallahu ta'ala anhu spoke. Hazrat Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam answered them, Usama bin Zayd, if daughter of Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam stole something, I would cut off her hand. It is teaching of Islam. It is equality of Islam. Now I conclude my speech with this ayah. فَعْدِلُوا هُوَ أَقْرَبُ لِلتَّقْوَى. Do justice, that is nearer to taqwa. وَآخِرُ دَعْوَانَا أَنِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ.